Welcome back. I recently tried VTTX Toning Essence 1000 Shot, and I must say it is a game changer. This essence is designed to help users achieve smooth, beautiful skin by addressing recurring problem areas and pigmentation. This essence improves light dark spots and brightens and clarifies uneven skin tones with its transparent and fluffy texture. The essence has a less sticky but highly moisturizing formula, making it easy to use. While it doesn't provide immediate lightening effects, its combination of three key ingredients, tranexamic acid, glutathione, and vitamin B3, helps prevent sunburn and sun damage with continuous use. It is less stimulating, making it suitable for those who don't favor high concentrations of vitamin C. Key ingredients and benefits. Glutathione prevents melanin production. Tranexamic acid reduces melanin damage. Vitamin B3 prevents melanin from moving. This essence targets the root causes of dullness and provides a whitening care solution, making it perfect for those looking for an effective yet gentle product. Upon application, the essence is instantly absorbed and non-sticky, making it ideal for summer use when sunburn is a concern. Its slightly gooey texture is refreshing and easy to incorporate into both morning and night skincare routines. The light coconut scent is not overpowering, making it suitable for those sensitive to strong fragrances. Final thoughts. The VTTX Toning Essence 1000 Shot is a cool item that offers a concentrated approach to addressing dark spots and acne scars. Its fluffy texture and easy application leave the skin feeling refreshed and well moisturized. Overall, it's a highly recommended product for anyone looking to improve their skin tone and texture.